Hey, y'all. What's going on? Welcome to Eating with Jay. I'm Jay. We're going to pray and then we're going to get into this goodness. Thank you for this food that I'm now about to receive for the nourishment of my body, for feeding my soul. For Christ's sakes, amen, amen, amen. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. God damn it, I said welcome. If this is not your first time here, then welcome back. Before we get into anything, I need y'all to do some stuff for me. First thing, give me a thumbs up. If you like my content, if you like what I'm doing on this channel, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I read and respond to all my comments. Share me out, because you know what they say, sharing is caring. Lastly, smash the notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time that I drop a video. Oh my God. I have been craving fried fish for a while, so I decided to do it. I got me a big old fried fish sandwich slash PoBoy slash grinder. Call it what you want to call it. I toasted up the bread. I got some American cheese on it. I got my 3 fish fillets with some Chipotle mayonnaise. I got my grinder salad. Y'all know I'm in love with the grinder salad. And I got me some tomatoes seasoned up. I can't even talk. My mouth is watering. My mouth is just dripping, oozing. Oh my God. Okay. Now, let's see what else. Oh, got me some chips. Got me some Frito scoops. And I got this water. It's called Polar Sparkling Frost. And this is pomegranate berry. It got caffeine and green tea for energy. So my first time trying it, so we're gonna see what this is like. If I don't like it, I got me some Snapple Mucho Mango over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into this sandwich and hi. I'm gonna get into this sandwich and we're gonna see what's what, and we're gonna talk because I got a topic today. And I'm very interested in hearing what you got to say. Okay. So let's move the fish over here. Mm, 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 mm. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all want a piece? You want some? You can't have none because I'm not sharing. I'm not in the mood to share. Any other time, I share. I'm not sharing this. Y'all, you ass out. I'm sorry. I'm going to put my Fritos back here. Let's turn the plate this way. Y'all have already seen the sandwich. Ooh. Ooh. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be a mess. Oh. You see that? You see all this goodness? Okay. Can you see me? I'm still here. I'm still here. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. She gonna be messy. She gonna be messy. Mm. 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 Lord. Ain't nothing like some good old fried fish. Now, see what this poll is talking about. All right, pomegranate berry. No. No. That ain't giving me nothing. Nope. It's not like the sparkling ice. I thought that's what it was gonna kind of be like. Nope. Mucho mango. Come on, Snapple. Come on, Snapple. What's that thing? Is it the best thing on earth or something? I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. This, in the words of Ebony from Eating with Swag, trash can water. Trash can water. Nope. I'm glad I only bought one. Okay. Sorry for the noise in the background. If you hear it, that's my fan because it's hot. But, so this is what I want to talk about, right? You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and tell y'all. Yeah. So, about 2018, I started watching what I like to call ratchet TV. Okay? Ratchet TV to me is stuff like Love and Hip Hop, Housewives of Atlanta, stupid stuff like that. Now, I stopped watching Love and Hip Hop, and I was only watching the Atlanta one. I couldn't take that no more. So I watch Housewives of Atlanta and Housewives of Potomac. So I was watching the Housewives of Atlanta yesterday. And there was something that happened, and I was trying to figure out. I was like, you know what, that would be a good topic to talk about. So, Marlo has custody of her two nephews. But because they weren't doing right or whatever, she decided to put them out for a month. So they're living with Marlo's, I think, younger sister, who already has 4 kids, and they live in a 2-bedroom apartment. So there's another housewife on there. I can't remember her name because she's not really important to me. She's not like I really don't like her, and I can't really blow with her. But she's married, and she has a son from a previous relationship. And her husband had said that he was going to adopt the boy. Okay. But after talking to the boy's father, he changed his mind and said, no, it wouldn't be right if I did that, because the father is still in his life. Okay. Come to find out, the girl's husband is writing a book on blended families. Okay, cool. Now, here's part one of the buffoonery. You're married to somebody. You're writing a book on blended families, and your partner has no idea what the book is about. She just knows about blended families. She has no idea if she's going to be in the book, if he's talking about their relationship, or what. And I'm like, okay, what kind of fuckery is this? Because if I'm writing a book and I'm married to somebody, best believe the person who I'm married to is going to know what the hell the book is about. Am I wrong? Now, point number 2 of this stupidness. He's writing the book and he wants her to be involved, but he's not telling her what the book is going to be about. But he turned around and asked her to write the foreword to the damn book. Process that while I take a bite. So, you married. Your husband writing a book on blended families. That's all you know. You don't even know the title of the damn book, because he's not telling you. But he wants you to write the foreword to the book. Somebody who's ever watching this, make it make sense to me. Now, truth be told, his particular character or storyline is more interesting than his wife's, because if you watch this season and last season, this dude purposely says shit to his wife to gaslight her. He think it's cool. He think it's okay to do it. Okay. Not my relationship. So, keep that in mind. He's writing a book about blended families. Now, let's go back to Marlo. They're in Jamaica, and everybody's sitting down talking. So Marlo says, how's the book going? Talking to their husband. How's the book going? Are you going? I heard you was adopting the boy. No. Blah, blah, blah. He goes on to let her know. No, he didn't say it. His wife said it. Well, he actually changed his mind because he spoke to the child's father, and in speaking to him, he decided not to do it because the dad still wanted to be a part of the son's life, and he felt that if he was adopted by the husband, it would decrease his presence in the child's life. Not those words, but that was the gist. So, nobody else said anything, but they all looking, side-eyeing, screw face. Marlo then says, well, I'm adopted. Well, no, she didn't say that I'm adopted. She said, well, I'm a foster child. So, how do you think that makes him feel like he's not wanted? Because now, father didn't want to have anything to do with him. And now, you don't want to have anything to do with me. You just want to be my friend. So everybody was like, no. How can you say that if he's living there, sees the child every day, and is taking care of the child, and basically thinks of the child as his own son? Okay. Marlo then goes on to say, well, no, I think it's kind of wrong, for whatever reason. So people was like, okay, well, maybe you should mind your business and focus on the two nephews that you put out. Okay. Now, mind you, she put them out because they weren't know what they were supposed to be doing. They wasn't listening. And she said she got tired and needed a break. And the rest of the crew, or for the friends, the girls, were like, well, when you have a kid, yeah, you get tired, but you can't take no break. That's your responsibility 24/7. Her thing was, oh, I needed a break. I knew it was going to be this hard. They're not listening. They're XYZ. They're not doing this. They're not doing this. Okay. Well, it's kind of your fault, Marlo, because what you're doing, you're spoiling them, giving them everything they want, number one. And you're not setting up no type of boundaries. But, hey, I don't have any kids. I didn't want any kids. God knew that. So, yeah, whatever. But, it leads me to the question. Does someone have the right to tell you or give their opinion to you about a situation when the same situation is happening to them parallels yours or is along the same lines as yours? Does someone have the right to tell you or give you their opinion on the situation that you're going through, and the situation that they're going through is similar to yours? Not the exact same, but similar. Now, speaking on this particular subject, I don't have any kids, but I'm going to weigh in anyway. If someone is going through a situation, and I'm going through a similar situation, who the fuck am I to say or give my opinion or advice or put my 2 cents in? On that situation. I wouldn't even say shit. I'm gonna sit there, eat my jerk chicken wings, drink my drink, and look down. Because I'm in the same boat as you. If not in the same boat, I'm in the same body of water. We looking at you waving. Shut the hell up. My opinion. You ain't got no right to tell nobody nothing. Don't put your 2 cents in. Don't say a damn word. Now, the only person whom I would have taken advice from would be Todd and Candy. I love Candy. Number one, she took her nephew in when he was a little boy. Todd, I think they talked about him adopting Candy's daughter, but something happened with that. They talked about it though, and he was willing to do it. But that's the only couple I would have took advice from because they done been through it. So, but even though they went through it or been in a situation, they didn't say too much. Candy just told her, Marlo, she just stay out their business and deal with her own situation of, kicking her boys out. And before Candy could get the words out, Marlo was all defensive, jumping on it. But see, if you're gonna get defensive because somebody telling you to mind your business because you in a similar situation, that should tell you something. Because you're getting defensive for what? just asking. I'm just saying. But I'm very interested to see and read what you guys think about that. Because, and it doesn't have to be the situation. It could be something completely different. But I don't know, that was crazy. I'm like, who she thinks she is? Yes, you were in the foster system. Yes. We get it. This child was not. He was with his mom the whole time. This is about the man who he sees as his father or as his daddy, and the man who was a sperm donor. I don't know. I don't know. I just couldn't understand why she felt the necessary to talk, to open up her mouth. Y'all know anybody like that? They wanted to start talking about shit when they need to just shut the hell up. Now, I've had friends ask me my opinion, and if it's something that I've been through, I'll tell them, well, this is how I handled it. Not this is what you should do. Or either I say, I don't know, because I've never been through it. So, But, yeah, leave me comments about this. I really want to see what you guys have to say. Well, that was a topic for today. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, Olivia Newton-John. Rest in peace to Olivia Newton-John. She was my second white woman crush. I've had 2 crushes on white women, and she was my second. Fell in love with her from Greece. The movie came out the year I was born. So, yeah, that was a hard one when I heard that. That was a hard one to hear. Shout out to Ghetto Bites. Shout out to Ramita Love. Shout out to Ramseth Mukbangs. And shout out to Angela Eats TV. Hashtag Picky Palate. Note to self, don't hurt yourself. All right. I'm full. That sandwich was fucking amazeballs. All right, guys. You know what I'm about to say. I'm going to call it. Whew, I'm full. Shit. All right. I'm about to call it. Love yourself and take care of yourself. More importantly, love each other and take care of each other. And until we see each other on the next video with a big plate of yummy deliciousness. Peace.